Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing 1.3E2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write our name on our paper and our date. Now I'm making this video on 10/4. You guys will be doing this not on October 4th. So on our first problem, we're going to look at number 1. It says 15 minus 5 equals something. So we can use multiple ways to do this. We could use fingers and toes, we could use crayons, we could use pictures. Any way you want to solve this, you're welcome to do. You could use a number line, you can draw a reckon rack. So for this one, what I want to do is I'm going to draw 15 circles. And I'm going to put them in groups of 5. So I can make what looks like a 10 frame and 5 more. Now once I do that, I'm going to cross out 5 because I see I'm losing 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to see how many are left. Well, I see I have 5 and 5 more, which I know is 10. This is not the only way to solve this. I like to do a picture, but you do the method that works best for you. If you want to get crayons out, you can do that. Now I'm going to look here. I see 10 plus 5 equals something. So for this one, I'm going to draw 10 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to draw 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I know I have a total of 15. For the last one, I have 8 and 4. For this one, I want to use crayons, and that's okay. So I'm going to have 8 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to add them all together. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know 8 and 4 more is 12 crayons. Read the question, identify the important information, then write a number sentence. Tyler and Luis went camping. Tyler has 2 chairs and Luis has 3 chairs. How many more chairs does Luis have than Tyler? Well, I know Tyler and Luis are going to go camping. I know Tyler has 2 chairs. So I know Tyler has 2 chairs. And I know Luis, he has 3 chairs. I want to know how many more chairs Luis has than Tyler. So I know Luis has 3 chairs. I'm looking for how many more he has than Tyler. So I know that I'm subtracting Tyler's 2 chairs. When I have 3 chairs and I take away 2 chairs, I have 1 chair left. If you want to use your fingers instead, you can do 3, take away 2, leaves you 1. You are allowed to use your fingers. When you want to use any manipulative you have at home, you can use cereal, fingers, crayons, whatever you have. Fill in the missing numbers. 30, 29, 28. I see I'm going backwards by 1. So I know when I count, my next number will be 1 less. 30, 29, 28, 27. 43, 44, something, 46. I see I'm going up by 1. So 43, 44, 45, 46. Record how many 10s and 1s are in each of the numbers below. So in this number, I have 13. That means I have 1 group of 10 and 3 leftover 1s. For this number, I have 28. That means I have 2 groups of 10 and 8 leftover 1s. And for 6, I have no 10s. There's nothing in my 10s place. So I have 0 10s and 6 leftover 1s. Number 5. Use the 10 frames below to fill in the number that belongs in the box below. So I'm going to use my 10 frames and I'm going to look and I'm going to see I have 7 plus 6 equals something. So I'm going to fill in 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have a choice. I could use my 6 down here, or I could finish this 10 frame and then go on to my next 10 frame. I'm going to choose to fill my first 10 frame and then go to my second. But if you want to use your second 10 frame to represent your 6, that would also be okay. And I'm going to do my 6 in a different color because I want to know that these 6 are not part of the original 7. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I see that I had a group of 10 and 3 more. So I see I have a total of 13. So my number sentence would be 7 plus 6 equals 13. And they want me to write the number sense for the related subtraction fact. So I could say 13 minus 6 equals 7. Or I could say 13 minus 7 equals 6. Samuel had 12 balloons. Kylie has 4 balloons. Draw a picture to determine how many balloons Samuel has. All right, well, I know Samuel has 12 balloons, so I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are my Samuel balloons, and then I have Kylie, and she has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to figure out how many more balloons Samuel has. So I know these are equal, these are equal, these are equal, these are equal. So this is the information I'm looking for. How many more does Samuel have? So I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know he has 8 more balloons. And notice I'm writing 8 more balloons. It's very important I label what I'm doing my math with, because otherwise I don't know what that is. It could be 8 giraffes, it could be 8 llamas. I need to be very specific to say he has 8 more balloons. Use the 10 frame to fill in the number that belongs in the box below. All right, so I'm trying to figure out how many more I need. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know 3 and 4 more is 7. Draw a picture to answer the following. How many more is 14 than 8? So I'm going to say I have 14 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Because I make oopses and I want to make sure I'm correct. And I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm looking for how many more is 14 than 8. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. Now I don't know 6 more what, so I'm not going to say 6 more what. How many more is 6 than 4? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. These ones are pairs, so I have 2 more.